On Macha, there are 3 ways to create AI agents to help with our workflows. We can either create an agent with a build with AI prompt, use one of our agent templates, or create an agent manually. Let's look at how to create an agent manually. We start by hitting the Create Agent button. On the left, we can see all the capabilities and sources we can give our agent, and on the right side is where we edit them. Let's build a knowledge-based helper agent and give it a short description. In the instructions panel, this is where we tell the agent how we want it to behave. We want to keep this clear and simple and be specific about what we want the agent to do and not do. For this agent, we are not going to select any triggers. Triggers are events we want the agent to automatically act on. Here's a look at some of the triggers available. These depend on the connectors we add to Macha. We can also give it tools. These are actions we want the agent to perform in our third-party apps, and they also depend on the connectors. We are not going to select any of these right now because we are creating a knowledge-based agent that relies more on data sources. When we select a data source, some tools get added automatically. Let's go ahead and add a source. We can add Confluence, Zendesk Help Center, and our Macha website. As we can see, 2 Confluence tools have been added automatically: Get Page and Search Page. By default, the AI is set to read through all documents. If we want, we can select up to 3 specific documents for each source, so the agent only reads what we need. Let's select 3 of these. That's how we manually configure our agent. We can also choose the AI model for this agent. For simpler tasks, we can use something like GPT-4o Mini. We recommend checking which model to use since different models use different credits. Let's save it and give it a test run. Our agent will now look through the tools and sources available. As we can see, it has already started using the Search Knowledge tool. Let's wait and see what it does. It has started pulling up the article and giving us the information we need with a link back to the source it used. That's how we create agents manually on Macha.